Hello friends, welcome to our channel InhouseERP. So today I am going to make video on icon sets under conditional formatting in MS Excel. So what is icon sets? Choose a set of icons to represent the values in the selected cells. So in which we create a database in the Excel and then we apply icon sets on it to represent the value. So let's see practically. This is our database. Serial number, name, age and gender. Go to conditional formatting, icon sets, and these are the various type of icon sets, and we can use these icon sets to represent our data. Upward arrow, circle with different colors. So we can use these icons as per our requirement. First I am going to apply this, and now you see the values in age. Less value, less bar, and bars is increasing as per the value increasing in the age. I hope you like this video because this is very useful to represent our data in graphical manner. Kindly keep support us, do like, share, subscribe this channel, and more useful content will come soon. Thank you.